Hello and welcome to this video introducing combining functions. Two earlier perspectives have enabled us to develop new functions from other functions. One, composing two given functions to generate a new function, and two, applying one or more transformations to a given function. In this section, you'll develop the perspective that just as we can add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers, we can also add, subtract, multiply, and divide functions. In this setting, it's essential to think of a function as a process. If we have a particular function process f and then consider another function process g, then we can generate a new related function process that we might call h by defining the process to be h of x equals f of x plus g of x, for which the process of h is simply the sum of the two processes of f and g. We'll see that in applied contexts, it's often helpful to think about the units of input and units of output as we seek to understand how new processes can be generated from known processes. Finally, we also consider an alternate way to generate new functions from other functions. By taking a collection of known functions and restricting their domains to select intervals, we can develop what we call piecewise functions. Here, we are essentially gluing several pieces from different functions together in order to generate a function we desire. The big overall idea is that we can use two or more known functions to generate a new related function in many different ways. Moreover, understanding the two or more functions that are being put together enables us to understand the new resulting function.